Today we're taking a look at the EcoViva Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. Now this water filtration system is great for countertops because it's not going to take up a whole bunch of space. And with a 5-stage filtration system, you're going to get very, very clean water. Now there's a lot to like about this, and let's go over some of the key specs. Number one is it's a 3-to-1 pure to drain system. So that just means that you're going to have more fresh tasting water than waste. And you can also produce 200 gallons per day with this tiny little countertop unit. The carafe is also very sturdy. It's a nice reinforced glass carafe, and that definitely makes a huge difference. Its capacity is 1.2 liters. On the front, you have a digital touch panel that's also going to show you the information about your water, and I'll show you that once we plug this in. On the back is where you have your fill tank, and this is also where the wastewater is going to go. It's very easy to just pour this out after use and refill it when you need to. So let's go ahead and place this back on the top. Opening up the top of the device is where you'll actually find your filters. You have these 2 filters here that are easily removable when it's time to replace them. You do have your CF filter as well as your RO filter right here, guys. So let's just put these back in. And then place the lid back on top. So a very nice unit. I think this is a very, very stylish unit. It's a very clean countertop system without worrying about installation and pipes and having to connect to water lines and whatnot. Fill it and forget about it. So speaking of which, let's go ahead, fill it up and check it out. You do have a display right on the front here that's going to give you all of your relevant information. So you're going to see your filter status of both of those filters on the inside, and when it's time to change them up, it's going to let you know. On the front as well, you have your total dissolved solids for your source, as well as your pure drinking water right there. Now I just did the flush process, so I'm gonna actually do the process together and try out the water with you. You can also choose from 0.4 liters, 0.8 liters, or the maximum of 1.2 liters to fill up the carafe with your pure water. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, it's a very nice system. And taking a look at the back, you also have the separator to separate the bad water from your source water right there. But speaking of all this water, it's time to turn it on and check it out together, and it actually fills up pretty quickly. So let's just change to my source water, which is about a 68, and let's go ahead and time how long it's going to take to fill up 1.2 liters. Maximum amount of water that I can filter throughout the day is 200 gallons, but let's make sure that carafe is well seated. We just hit 0.4 liters. Almost about to hit 0.8 liters as well. And you can see my total dissolved solids is about 100 plus right now. There's 0.8 liters. And we're just about to hit 1.2 liters. Total dissolved solids creeping up to 150. And we're done. Before we go ahead and take a look at the back there, let's check out the pure water source. So you can see my pure total dissolved solids when dropped all the way down to an 8. So that is very, very good. Then if we take a look at the back here, guys, here's your bad water, and then you still do have a little bit of source water left. So overall, I am very happy with this, but it's time to go ahead and do a little bit of a taste test. That looks pretty pure to me. Oh yeah, that is good. Great thing is you can just put this in the fridge or just fill up your favorite bottle so you always have pure water to drink. I appreciate you guys watching.